So you'll find your starter relay here, and that shows pin 87. Come over here, I already have the relay wrapped. It's 87 right there, and it's going to go into that prong right there. Stick it in there, make sure you got a good nice connection. The other end of my wire is bare. Come over, put your key to the on position. Obviously make sure it's in park and everything else. Once again, that is all connected in. Take your wire here and it started. Now once it started, you're going to want to make sure you pull this wire off. Just like that. Pop it back in any which way. As long as that shaved corner is pointing towards the firewall. Button everything back up and you're good to go.